Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Tiffany & Co. eyeglasses, model TF2189 in color code 8274. The color of the frame is black. And these glasses are square shaped. And the temple tips are black and blue. Same on both sides. You'll also find the Tiffany & Co. logo engraved on its left temple. And the Tiffany & Co. logo is also engraved on its bottom left lens. On the inner right temple, you'll again find the Tiffany & Co. logo and that it's made in Italy, as well as the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 54 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Tiffany & Co. case, a Tiffany & Co. gift box, a blue Tiffany & Co. cleaning cloth, and a Tiffany & Co. envelope which holds a Tiffany & Co. authenticity card and a Tiffany & Co. booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.